resources that you need to be able to excel at your career and also to make sure that you're able to provide excellence in imaging to your patients. Our workshop today included lecture and didactic training, as well as live hands-on scanning with pathology, as well as with normal cases.
I highly recommend it. You can learn a lot. You always can learn something new that you can implement your daily practice.
We bring what you need to be relevant and to improve your skills.
I highly recommend the All About Ultrasound workshops for what you get to apply all the information that you've learned.
We offer live scanning events, hands-on training events, conferences, webinars, and workshops, as well as online ultrasound registry review, and so much more on our website at allaboutultrasound.com.